Hello again. Welcome to another lesson in After Effects. Today we're going to learn how to import and activate Adobe fonts. Just before we start, I'll show you that I have already created a new project and a new composition titled Pasta that we're going to work on later. But for now, let's go up to File at the top of your screen and click on Add Fonts from Adobe. This will take you to a new website, and I'm going to need to start a new screen share to show you that. So here we are in a website titled fonts.adobe.com. One thing you have to make sure of right away is that you're logged into Adobe Cloud. See, there's this blue circle here. That means that I'm logged in, but if it said sign in up here, then you would need to be sure to sign in using your Adobe ID and password in order to download any fonts. Okay, so now you see there are many fonts you can browse through right here on the side. You can also go by classification, like say you just wanted a script text. You could click on that and that would bring up only script texts or decorative or whatever you so choose. Also, if there's a particular font that you know you want, you can search for it specifically up here. So for now, let's add a filter. We'll add a filter for sans serif. This will bring up only sans serif fonts for us to choose from. And within this, you'll see that some of them have 16 fonts, some have 6, some have 5. That's within that particular font family. So if we click on one of these font families, we'll click on either View Family, or you can just double click in the middle here. That's going to bring up even more selections. So we see that there are 6 possible fonts we can choose from under this Barbieri font. 2 ways you can do it. You can either activate all 6 fonts at once, you just click here, or you can just choose one. Let's say we're just going to choose Barbieri Thin. Click on that, and a screen will come up that says your font activation was successful. You click OK. So now if I look up here under my Adobe fonts, you'll see that Barbieri Thin has now been added to my fonts, and I can use that font with any Adobe program. So now if we go back to After Effects, I have to do a new share here, and we go into Character, where we had our selections for fonts. If we go up to the B's, we see that Barbieri Thin has been added. Now if I would have imported all 6 of those fonts, you would see a little triangle arrow next to it, just like you see here in Baskerville. And that would open a separate menu to choose from those Barbieri fonts which one that I wanted to use for this project. So that's basically how you do it. And in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how to create and format point text. But now that you know how to import Adobe fonts, explore that a bit and download some fonts that you might like to work on using one of your own projects. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.